What's going on YouTube? It's 905 Street Kings here. Today we're with our boy Shaad, Rival Autosports is his shop. Today we're working from home. We are installing our DAR duckbill spoiler. I think they call it the Texas drift style spoiler. This is it today. So I'm going to be taking off the stock one, putting this bad boy on. We got the big camera today as well, so we'll be doing most likely time lapses with a bit of instructions here and there. But Shaad,
what's going on?
This company Rival. All right, so for our trunk right now, we've got bolt up through here, another bolt up through here that we'll take out. We also got some clips like these that are in there as well, so it'll be a little bit of a pull to get off. But we're taking fishing line, just running it all the way through down as far as we can until we get to the bolts. Take the bolts off, pull it up, and it should be good. But it's a car, so things will be difficult, most likely. Alright guys, so we got the wing off, stock one. There's 4 bolts you got to worry about, not just 2 like we thought, but there's these ones you'll be able to see. These ones are the ones you won't be able to see. You'll have to kind of look differently. So you'll still use the same hole right here. So the first one would be, I got no light for you guys, but it's literally straight, so it's on an angle. The second one's kind of up here, so you will have to come more upward like that, wiggle it around a bit. But
both are 10 mil,
and they're both 10 mil. I forgot to mention. So the stock one, or the next one, actually lines up really well. We will have to remove these clips, so it could be a little bit of pain, but we're not too worried. Not that much goo on it, but we got stuff for it. We'll clean it up, we'll mock it up before we secure it. But that's how it looks so far. Alright guys, so far we've got the stock wing off. We have the other one mocked up temporarily, but it's actually sitting right now. So close, almost.
I think it would be best to at least just two of them.
Yeah.
Just the two far tips and these two center ones, because the wing itself kind of bows up, so you need to yank the side down. And we got to do it on both ends. So at the very least, I would say the two main ones to secure most of the weight, and the two end ones to bring the two tips down.
Yeah. So you got to drill two holes out, and we'll add 3M on it as well, just extra support. But it does come with the rain, I guess I'll call it a rain shield underneath it, rain guard, whatever. It sits nice and flush. But yeah, I like it so far. Looks good. Alright guys, so
3,200 pounds.
yeah, that sounds about right. Got another update. That's what it looks like right now. We got 2 bolts to drill roughly here, and then on the other side, so we're just trying to mark that up. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Alright guys, so we've finished finally. Took a little bit.
Yeah.
We got a couple screws to keep for later on in the trunk. That's alright. How do you feel about the install?
It was a lot more than I was expecting. Well, then again, we left the jig or whatever, the stencil they gave us, was left at the house. So, you know, it took extra time. We put together our own stencil, but eventually it came out. Yeah. And yeah, just overall it just looks so nice on there.
Yeah.
It really puts an aggression onto the rear end of the Z.
I don't know if I should get the car washed first, or if I should just I'll wash the car before showing it. But yeah, no, they came with a piece of paper with a hole punched out. You're supposed to mark it up to where the holes were. I forgot them at home, but I forget a lot of things at home. So what's going on, guys? We're back. Washed the car, wings on tight, everything's good. Didn't show you guys outside, so I'll show you what it looks like inside. I'll get some pictures later on, but that's what we got. So side view. Little down view. But I like it. It's alright, I like it. I feel like all sports trim should come with it. Let me get back in here. Yeah, I feel like it should, all sports trims should come with this kind of a wing or duckbill instead of the stock one that we do have. I feel stock one, it's a little bit dinky for a sport trim, but I mean, it is what it is, right? Thanks for stopping by, guys. Really appreciate it. It means a lot to us that you guys watch our videos every time we post. Hopefully the content continues to get better. Hopefully we continue to grow, and we thank you for the support and the love. Yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell so you know when we post. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, 905 Street King.